Morning everyone, Garden Novice here again. On the plot Sunday morning. Things I've got planned for this morning is move a little aluminium greenhouse a bit further down the plot. Sorry, a bit further down the site. Someone else is going to use that. I'm going to dig that area over. I'm going to plant a few seeds in the modules for the tunnel, and then that should wrap up the morning. Well, that's my little aluminium greenhouse gone. Gifted to another gardener down the site. Took a roof glass out of it this morning. The rest of it they're going to put perspex in, I think. So I can get this bit dug over, manured, ready for winter. Well, that's it, all dug over where the little aluminium greenhouse used to be. It's quite nice soil actually. There's a couple of raspberry plants there which I've just left in for now, because my original plan was to use the little greenhouse as a fruit cage, but that's soon changed my mind. So it's all dug over. This bit's got horse manure on. I need to manure that bit, and that'll be left for the winter. I'll maybe grow me pumpkins and other squashes in that bit next year. And around the rest of the plot, this little bed here has got me red barren overwintering onions. This one's the yellow onions, the scent sheet, if I've said it right. And the same with this one, the scent sheet. These over here are all year round cauliflowers. Looking quite well. This bed here was a disaster. There's some strawberry plants that we bought as a collective group on the site, and no one's really come out, so we got our money back. There's a couple sprouting away there. Might be able to rescue a couple, but well, I'll use this bed for something else, I think. This one's got cabbages in. Looks like it's starting to heart up quite nicely. So lettuce and beetroot in this one. Lettuce in this one. Looks like it's ready to finish. I've just sowed some more lettuce this morning in the tunnel. I'll plant that in the tunnel when it's grown. These are Swedes. They're coming on really well. And kohlrabi. Kohlrabi here. And this is the kale. Two types of kale. An empty bed, which I can manure now and think of what I can put in there for the winter. Still got some leeks left. Pretty piss poor with the leeks down here. I think the soil must be pretty lifeless. I have to put some manure on it. And my asparagus bed all ready for winter. And then my work in progress bit down the bottom. That's my winter project, doing something down here. Well, I think that's me for the day. Had a good morning's work doing that. I'm gonna have a quick pop in the tunnel, make sure everything's all in order in there. Get met by the Calibres. I had one of them yesterday, beautiful. Right, so in here is my Ailsa onions. Just sowed them a couple of days ago. I put some all year round cauliflowers in that other little propagator in the middle there. Those are Ian and Emma's from our allotment journey. And then the Mizuna spring onions, mustard. The spring bulbs ready to go home when they start sprouting. And under here I'll put some stuff to grow in the tunnel. Some radish, lettuce, rocket. See if it comes to anything in the tunnel. That's it, that's me finished for the morning. Off home now, get my lunch. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share and subscribe to the channel if not already done so. Really appreciate that. Until next video, bye for now.